sincerely apologize first and foremost to my wife, Mrs. Bolanle, and my son for my action in the last couple of weeks, especially on social media.
My people, just when you thought you had seen it all, bam, another one pops up on the social media. This treat for social media, it risky. Anyways, guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel, K&G TV, for another celebrity news and social media wahala. If not the first time this way they stop for this channel, please enter with your popcorn and grab a seat. Of course, do me a favor by clicking on that red subscribe button and turning on your post notification. May God bless you as you do so. My people, you guys should enter. We get two matters on this video. First, we have to talk about Lincon and his wife Bolanle, and we go also talk about this our man of God indaboski, yes, Prophet Odumeje, and a controversial doing so it take to happen for social media. But before that, my beautiful people, make we talk about this Lincon and his wife Bolanle. My people, this one na update, yes, because me don't do several videos on top this matter wey Bolanle come out finally concern one or two proofs outside say e dey like this. Wetin Lincon dey talk on the social media say na she dey beat am, and say she be very violent, and say she na the cause of the matter or the problem wey their 6 months marriage get am. She don bring out some small proofs come dey show us, my people. Because of that, even our artist Barry J, wey be come out sef come mock Bolanle take add on top, he come out come apologize, say him dey very sorry. Him no be no say na matter wey e involve domestic violence, and him no go ever carry him mouth take support domestic violence, my people. So e dey like the matter don actually surface until e go reach police station, because as una sabi say this Lincon be come out some time ago, if not a week ago, my people, come apologize, say him dey sorry. He be take right for his social media page, say him dey sorry for all wetin don happen. This time around, my beautiful people, he come now with video. Now the video get as it dey for people eyes, because there is no way where you won't tell me say you dey apologize openly for your crimes or for wetin you don't do, but you dey read now for paper. Apologies wey a lot of people believe and the think say e no come from the heart, na formality. E dey like they tell am say if you no apologize to your wife, if you no do this video, this kind of thing go happen for you. A lot of things don't dey pop up, because when he don dey come up with those videos, he don dey say he's not regretting up to an extent. He even let us know say na Bolanle family take the first Bolanle on him, say him no be once. They gave him a condition, say if he does not get married to Bolanle, he will not come close to his son, and he wants to be part of that son's life, reason he got married to Bolanle in the first place. Una sabi say the wedding between Bolanle and Lincon, it lasts for 6 months, and the child wey they get together is 2 months plus. A lot of saga become out, like why did they even go into it if they were both toxic to each other? Now reason where a lot of people come they talk say the way himself they read this apology, because from all indication, my people, this one not be hide, because he they read the apology. Una sabi say he call a lot of people during that particular saga. He call out Bolanle mother and father, say if at all to be married it take day easy, why Bolanle father take leave her mother? You know, a lot of saga you na sabi na, my people. But he don't finally come out say he dey apologize, he dey very sorry for what he done to. My people, I go leave una the video make una watch by una self, because a lot of people know they feel convinced say this one na better apology. But me go leave the video more na watch by una self, and we go see for the next chapter.
I would like to use this opportunity to sincerely apologize first and foremost to my wife, Mrs. Bolanle, and my son for my action in the last couple of weeks, especially on social media. Those acts of mine are very unnecessary and uncalled for. All I said was in the heat of the moment. I would like to specifically apologize to my wife for calling her all sorts of names. My son, I apologize to you too, although you are not aware of my action, but I believe that sometimes in future you will. My wife, I pray and hope that you can find it somewhere in your good and loving heart accept my sincere apology. To my mother-in-law and my in-laws, I want to unreservedly apologize for all the insults I rained on you during this unfortunate episode. I am so sorry. To my mother and my siblings, I am sorry for all the embarrassment I caused you all and the troubles I put you through during this unfortunate episode. Mom, I'm so sorry. To the Attorney General of Lagos State Domestic and Sexual Violence Response Team, Lagos State Government in general, I want to sincerely thank you for helping me and myself and my wife to solve this issue amicably. Thank you, and I really appreciate everyone.
My people, una don't see the apology by una self. Let me say he read word to word. Hey, what do I know? But write for comment section what you think about that section of the video. Make we answer the indaboski matter. My people, una know this our man of God na prophet Odumeje. Una sabi say he gets one controversial way he take the heal. He take the carry out in miracles, signs and wonders. He gets one controversial way he take the do it doings. My people, yes, people don't come out again after wey some video take surface for internet still about im matter. My people, una sabi say some time ago the saga wey take happen between him and ada Jesus, e come dey make a lot of people come dey think twice. Yes, people wey before they be dey look up to am, some now dey think twice, like what is this man doing? He get the way we take dey heal people. He dey do as if those people, my people, na sick people we know, but what do we know? Everybody he gets the way for take carry out in miracles. My people, now why that they term and say controversial man of God? And this time around, the matter will come make us bring his video outside, or we come carry matter come outside. My people, now about the video where he did the parade the street of social media, when he be invited for an event. My people, now so people they wipe his shoes. My people, as in when he stepped his foot into the place, a lot of youths were like, they removed their dresses, they can't move their shirts now, they wipe his shoes, they wipe where he go move. My people, they call him Messiah, take out, put on top. A lot of people come, they say, but what is happening? Like, what is the meaning of all this? They say do is get level, but this one do is get as it dey. Now say others they know they see, or na only us they see. Now what people come they talk say, as a man of God, you're not supposed to be worshipped that way. Say the titles where they come the attributes and for it's too much. It's not supposed to be the way they take the job. Say it's not correct, my people. Say people don't go they sleep for floor like that for me no, in fact, I go leave the video more than the watch by una self, my people, because me no one overcarry my mouth to take put inside. Make una watch the video by una self. Una write for comment section which una think. I go see una for my next video. As of now, I'm out. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Leave comments for comment section, and may God bless you as you do so.
Shift Indaboski.